Perfect. The war has gone cold. Strategic, psychological, surgical. Now it burns. The Final Canary. Zurich, the curator's private gallery. It's a haunting space. Frozen photographs of revolutions, dictators, disasters. All moments he curated. The camera pans across a wall of fallen assets. Codder names crossed out in red. Only one remains untouched. RE19. The woman Minho loved, the one they said was eliminated. Suddenly the screen glitches. All files start deleting. He's being breached. Songhyekyo, Paris. She walks through a cathedral-turned-digital safe house. Beside her, an older woman in shadow. She steps into the light. RE19, alive. Her real name, Seo Jin-a. Disavowed, hidden for years, until now. Seo Jin-a, he erased me, but not everything I left behind. She hands Songhyekyo a drive labeled Mirage, Seed Protocol. Inside, the curator's true archive. Names off book ops, global manipulations. He didn't just build Leeminho, Jin-a says. He built governments, collapsed others. Go-yoon's forked loyalty. After learning she was KDUST's fail-safe asset, Go-yoon vanishes. Sang-won calls the curator. She's off script. She was the script, the curator says coldly. But Go-yoon leaves him a message. You turned me into a shadow, but shadows learn who casts them. She's hunting him now, not to kill him, but to replace him. The curator, cornered. Zurich burns, the vault's compromised. His final move. He opens a secondary tanker, Second Canary, motionless. He crushes a vial in his palm, neurotoxin failsafe. But nothing happens. Neutralized 3 hours ago, Songhyekyo says, stepping into the room. She's here, and behind her Go-yoon. No longer a pawn, not even a queen. A player. Final moments. The curator smiles. You think you win by destroying me? I'm already history. Go-yoon leans in. No, we win by making sure no one ever becomes you again. She nods to Songhyekyo. Together, they upload Seed Protocol Live, global, untraceable. Names, operations, the myth dies in daylight. The Final Canary sings piercing, clear, free. The camera zooms in on its eye. A microlens, it's been watching him all along. Always drop a comment, subscribe, like and share for more interesting videos.